Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back, an old man in the land of grills. Yeah, we are. We're gonna sear some steak on the Pellet Pro. This is the Pellet Pro portable pellet grill called the Sidekick. This thing is awesome, folks. And we got it set at 450 right now. You can see 442 is what the PID is holding, but we've got something special in there. We've got some grill grates in there. So I'll tell you a little story. Let's take a quick look at the grill grates there. There they are. You can see. Oh my gosh, Tom, it looks like you use those a lot. So these grill grates were from my original portable pellet grill, and one of the first pellet grills I got, in fact it was the first pellet grill I got, was that it was from Rectech. It was called the Rectech Mini, and they marketed it as a portable pellet grill. It really wasn't. It just had some legs that folded up. It was pretty cool. I loved it a lot, and I used it like heck. Tom Horsman YouTube. In fact, I'll try and find a video on YouTube from that and post it down below so you can see. They don't call it the Rectech Mini, they call it something else right now. We're at Rectech. And it finally started having too many problems with it. And I actually gave it to Brian, my son, madhorsebarbecue.com. Check him out. And he tried getting it to work and it still had some issues. So I've got the grill grates that were on that grill, on the Rectech Mini. And guess what? They fit perfect on the Pellet Pro portable pellet grill. So I've got it turned up here, folks. 450 is what I got set at. Take a look at the temp. And I've got some chuck steak. Some center cut chuck steak, folks. If you can ever find those in the grocery store, they are delicious. And we're gonna sear these up on the Pellet Pro portable pellet grill. I tell you, let's go take a look at those steaks, what I put on them for seasoning, and then we'll do the sear. All right, folks, let's get our steak on there. Oh, man. It's about 500 degrees right there. Get the cover down. You know, another thing I like about this pellet grill, I want you to take a look at this, is that they separate on a portable pellet grill the lid from the hopper. And that makes the hopper a tray, which is really nice. There's no other portable pellet grill that's got that going on. That's actually kind of cool. All right, got set it high right now. There's the lid temp. Holy smokes, it is hot. So let's did a quarter turn already. Let's see what we got here. Oh man. Oh man. That's like SCA quality steak right there, folks. We're giving those here. Give you a look-see. Oh man, you're wondering, did it turn out the same on both sides? Yeah, look at that. Chuck eye steak. I tell you what, on a pellet grill, on a portable pellet grill. Look at this. Oh man, that is gonna be so good. Soak up a little bit of that juice. Oh man. Oh. Oh man, that's like a competition style steak on a portable pellet grill. You don't buy one of those for that, folks. But this one from Pellet Pro from Smoke Daddy Inc. Folks, check them out, www.smokedaddyinc.com. I'll leave the link down below. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.